welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Anna and Baba Ramdev share platform at Jantar Mantar, holds day-long fast, protest for strong Lokpal and getting black money. Clean up cabinet's image, Ramdev's called Prime Minister. Goa government to appoint an administrator on Apex Goa State Cooperative Bank. CM advises board of directors to resign. Nabad says bank facing financial threat. Coal block allotted to Goa IDC in Chhattisgarh and the CBI scanner. Central Vigilance Commission transfers matter to CBI. IDC's deal a part of alleged 10.7 lakh crore national scam. Goa government spent 25 lakh rupees for exhibition organized by the BJP-ruled states at Madurai. Iris Rodriguez says gross misuse of power. Iris to petition Lokayukta. Goa emerged best state in second National Karate Do Championship. Sweeps away 131 medals out of 275. Two-day national draws to a close on Sunday. And Armand Colasso describes his most difficult time of life. Dempo coach makes remarkable return to helm of affairs after suffering severe cardiac arrest few months ago. And now the news in detail. Baba Ramdev and Anna Hazare had a day-long fast at Jantar Mantar in Delhi. A joint fast for a strong Lokpal bill and getting back the black money to India. Baba Ramdev declared that the agitation would be intensified. It will continue till the 8th of August. The yoga guru had challenged the Prime Minister to clean up the image of his tainted cabinet. Meanwhile, Bharat Swabhiman's Goa Wing too participated and backed the nationwide agitation with a day-long fast at Azad Maidan in Panji.
इसलिए तो कबीरदास जी कहते हैं कथनी मीठी खांड सी, कथनी मीठी खांड सी करनी विष की लोए, कथनी छोड़ करनी करे तो विष का अमृत होए। कथनी छोड़कर करने की तरफ बढ़ जाते हैं तो विष का अमृत हो जाता है। कथनी से काम नहीं बनेगा।
मात्र 1.5% हमारी विश्व की अर्थव्यवस्था में भागीदारी, ये काला धन ना जमा होता तो हमारी अर्थव्यवस्था आज अमेरिका के बराबर होती। चीन हमसे कहीं पीछे होता, फिर वह हथियार बना करके हमको नहीं डराती।
Meanwhile, Bharat Swabhiman Wing along with hundreds of volunteers participated in the day-long fast. They also held a rally shouting slogans against corruption.
आजच्या दिसान ह्या निर्णायक लढाईची सुरुवात झाली असा आणि येणाऱ्या काळात ऑगस्ट मेरेन हो लढो एका मोठ्या निर्णयापर्यंत पावतलो आणि ऑगस्टान आरपारची लढाई म्हटल्यार सरकाराक आव्हान असतले केंद्र सरकाराक की एकतर तुम्ही आमच्यो मागण्यो मान्य करात नाजाल्यार गादी सोडात, सत्ता सोडात। होच एक संदेश आजच्या दिसा सरकाराक आम्ही सगळे जाण दिवंक सोदता।
भ्रष्टाचार जर नष्ट करायचा असेल तर आपल्याला लोकायुक्त हवा आणि लोकायुक्त हवा तो कुठलाही फालतू लोकायुक्त मिळाला तर आपल्याला काही भ्रष्टाचाराविरुद्ध करता येणार नाही। आपल्याला जो चांगला लोकायुक्त हवा तो सध्या जसा उत्तराखंडामध्ये त्यांच्या कायद्यानुसार जो लोकायुक्त आहे तसला लोकायुक्त हवा। तर अशा तऱ्हेचा लोकायुक्त आम्ही तो लोकायुक्त मान्य केला, तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज म्हणून केला होता, हे जाणून केला होता की आम्ही सरकार बदलू, अशा तऱ्हेचा सरकार आणू की जो आम्हाला उत्तराखंड सारखा लोकायुक्त देईल आणि आम्हाला काहीतरी करता येईल।
With bureau inputs, our senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari. Goa State Cooperative Bank, the state apex bank, will soon find administrator running its affairs. Sources say government has initiated the process of appointing an administrator and CM has asked the board of directors to resign. Recent NABARD report mentions that the bank is facing acute bankruptcy. The board of directors would declare their version on the episode by Monday. However, the Parrikar government has already begun its operation changeover.
Goa State NABARD report states that Goa State Cooperative Bank is facing bankruptcy and needs to be rescued. NABARD had recommended the Reserve Bank of India to close down the operations of the state apex bank. Central Registrar had referred the matter to the Chief Secretary of Goa, Sanjay Srivastava. Following the developments, the state government has decided to appoint an administrator for the bank. Ramchandra Mule is presently leading the bank. It is also known that Chief Minister Parrikar had asked the board of directors of the bank to resign. The election for the bank's board of directors are due in coming September. Prudent Media tried to contact the chairman of the bank, Ramchandra Mule, but he was unavailable for comments. Sources informed that the board of directors would declare their version by Monday. The board of directors claims that the financial position of the bank is sound. Our reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
The coal block allotted to Goa IDC in Chhattisgarh in November 2008 and its allotment process has come under CBI scanner. Even the State Finance Department had raised queries about this deal, but the then Congress-led government hurriedly pushed it. Complaint of alleged national coal scam to the tune of 10.67 lakh crores as estimated by the CAG, which includes Goa IDC's coal block deal, has been handed over by the CVC to the CBI. Watch this report.
The CAG suspects that the Union Government and Coal Ministry has extended undue benefits to the commercial entities to the tune of 10 crore 67 lakhs. Total 155 coal acreages were allotted to private players without auction between year 2004-2009, with Prime Minister Manmohan Singh as the Union Coal Minister. The beneficiaries include some 100 private companies as well as public sector units. The Goa IDC's state captive coal block deal in the Chhattisgarh is one amongst this. Coal block named Pelma Sector 3 from state of Chhattisgarh was allotted to Goa Industrial Development Corporation by the Union Coal Ministry on 12 November 2008. The IDC in turn has sublet it to the KSK Energy Ventures as a power developer for Goa. The State Finance Department had questioned the proposal and process of allotment of this coal block. However, the then cabinet led by Digambar Kamath had approved the deal. The KSK Energy Ventures is supposed to generate a power of 1,800 megawatts by 2014 and allot a power of 240 megawatt to Goa as a state's share. The procedure of sub-allotment from IDC to KSK developers has now raised many questions. The matter has been now handed over to the CBI for investigation. Sources say CBI will interrogate the private players on the use of these coal blocks and alleged undue profits earned by them. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.